Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dini Maharani. In this video, I'm going to give an article about methods of education. It's about the words. A teacher from a Western country recently visited an elementary school in an Asian country. In one class, there was 60 young children as they learned to draw a cat. The teacher drew a big circle on the blackboard, and 60 children copied it on their papers. The teacher drew a smaller circle on top of the first and then put two triangles on top of it. The children drew it in the same way. The lesson continued until there were 61 identical cats in the classroom. Each student's cat looked like the one on the board. The visiting teacher watched the lesson and was surprised. The teaching methods were very much different from the way of teaching in her own country. Children are listened in her own country produced a room full of unique toys, each one completely different from the others. Why? What causes these differences in educational methods? In a classroom in any country, the instructor teaches more than art or history of language. He or she also teaches culture. Each educational system is a mirror that reflects the culture of the society. In a society as the United States or Canada, which has many national religion and cultural differences, people highly value individualism, the differences between people. Teachers place a lot of importance on the qualities that make each student special. The educational system in these countries show these values. Students do not memorize information, instead they work individuality and find answers themselves. There is often a discussion in the classroom. At the early age, students learn to form their own ideas and opinions. In the most Asian societies, by contrast, the people have the same language, history, and culture. Perhaps for this reason, the educational system in much of the Orient reflects society between in group goals and purpose rather than individualism. Children in China, Japan, and Korea often work together and help each other on segments in the classroom. The teacher methods are often very formal. The teacher lectures and the student listen. There is not much discussion. Instead, the students release rules or information that they have to memorize. There are advantages and disadvantages to both of this system of education. For example, one advantage to the system in Japan is that students there learn much more math and societies than American students learn by the end of high school. They also study more hours each day and more day each year than North Americans do. This system is difficult, but it students for a society that value discipline and self-control. There is, however, a disadvantage. Memorization is an important learning method in Japan school, yet many students say that after an exam, they forget much of the information that they have memorized. The advantage to the educational system in America. On the other hand, is that students learn to think for themselves. The system prepares them for a society that value creative ideas. There is, however, a disadvantage. When students graduate from high school, they have memorized as many basic rules and facts as students in other countries have. According to Julian in Google Scholar, the title is What Are Effective Schools? Listen from its and grades. I think enough. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.